Good morning, everyone. In the last session, we discussed about what is load balancer, what is scaling, and how to implement load balancer in our mini project. Okay, so now here we have implemented scaling, scale up, scale down, scaling, right? Scale up, scale up, and scale down. So it is increasing and it is decreasing. Okay, scaling will be done in two ways. Scaling can be done in two ways. One is vertical scaling, and the second one is horizontal scaling. One is vertical scaling, another one is horizontal scaling. Now, vertical scaling means increasing system resources in terms of RAM, CPU, in terms of RAM, CPU, processor, etc. So if you are increasing the capacity of a system, then that is called as vertical scaling. Then what is horizontal scaling? Increasing number of servers to run our application. That is called as horizontal scaling. Okay. So in the real time, for our applications, we are going to use horizontal scaling. So if we run our application in one server, then it may not be able to handle the load. So to reduce that load, we are going to use horizontal scaling. Instead of running our application on one server, we are going to run our application on multiple servers. So the process of running our application on multiple servers is called as horizontal scaling. So what is the meaning of scale up and scale down? Increasing number of servers based on demand. Scale down, decreasing number of servers when traffic is less. When traffic is less. Okay. Note, in cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP, we have auto scaling concept. So in the last session, we have done manual scaling. What is the meaning of manual scaling? We are increasing the number of instances. So instead of running our application in one server, we are running our application in multiple servers, right? So we have executed our application in multiple servers manually. That means we have done manual scaling. When you go for cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP, we have auto scaling concept. In cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP, we are having auto scaling concept. Okay. Auto scaling means number of servers will be increased or decreased based on number of requests coming to our application. Auto scaling means number of servers will be increased or decreased based on number of requests coming to our application. So here, if we enable auto scaling, then if more traffic is coming to our application, then more servers will be added to execute our application. Like Big Billion Day. Suppose if Amazon announced Big Billion Day, then more number of people are going to access our application. So that day, less number of servers are not sufficient. In regular days, assume that in regular days, your project is running with 10 servers. So 10 servers we are using to run our application in normal, in general. But what about Big Billion Day? On Big Billion Day, 50% offer is there in the Amazon. So many users are going to access our application. Definitely, more number of users are going to use the application on the Big Billion Day when compared with the general days. Okay, for general day, 10 servers we are using. For Big Billion Day, we need more servers. For that, we are going to use auto scaling. If number of requests are increasing, then servers should be increased. If number of requests are decreasing, then servers should be decreased. So we can't predict how many requests are going to come on the Big Billion Day. So that's why for applications, we are going to enable auto scaling. When we enable that auto scaling, number of servers will be increased based on the incoming request, based on the traffic, based on the number of requests are coming to our application, servers will be increased. If the traffic is increasing, servers will be increased. If the traffic is decreasing, then servers will be decreased from our load balancing. So this is called scaling concept in the real time. In the real time, we are going to use this scaling concept. When we are increasing number of servers, when we are increasing number of servers to run our application, database will be same. Database is not different, sir. Same database. Our application will connect to the same database, right? So even if you go for a horizontal scaling also, database will be same only. Database will be same only. Are you guys able to understand? Yeah, fine. So next one. So today it is doubts clarification session, guys. So we completed our mini project by using microservices. So some people are having questions, some people are facing some problems. So please raise your hand if you have a question or if you are facing any problem. In the Zoom, there is a raise your hand option. Please click on that option if you are having any question, if you want to discuss anything with me. Yeah, Alok
Hello.
Sachin. Yes.
Good morning,
Hi.
sir. Good morning.
Hi, Alok. Good
Good
morning.
morning. Just, sir, I am sharing my screen, unable to share it. There is.
1 second. Yeah, Alok, you can share now. Guys, observe what is the problem that he is facing. What is the problem? Unmute your mic, Alok. Alok, unmute your
Hello.
mic.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Sir, how to read a request body from Postman in Gateway that I am trying to read, but it's generating the Flux type of data buffer.
In the API gateway.
Yes. Just like that you say that I can read a header, something like that. And also I'm trying to read a body and a dumped here.
Okay. Request.get body flux data buffer object you got. whenever you do request.getBody, what is the return type of that getBody method?
The flux type of data buffer, it's that.
Can you keep cursor on the getBody?
This one.
No, just keep your cursor. Yeah. Request.getBody flux buffer now. So once you got the body, can you do some operations on the body? Body dot. Can you see the methods that are there?
That I have tried to generate a list also, but it's not working.
Right. So I will check this. I will give the code. How can we read the body? You want to print that body on the console, right?
Yes, yes, sir, yes, yes.
Yeah, sure. I will check this.
And sir, second doubt is that you will cover the microservice design pattern, means just introductory part, because I am facing many interviews that they are asking the same question again and again.
Okay, sure, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Next one, Mr. Nargis Khan Srinivas.
हेलो
Yeah, hi Nargis.
सर एक्चुअली मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मेरा जो एप्लीकेशन है वो रन ही नहीं हो रहा है, वो समथिंग इश्यूज हो रहे हैं उसके अंदर। वेट,
कौन सा एप्लीकेशन?
जो आपने फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन बताया हुआ है।
Service registry.
या
I'm giving the permission. Share your screen. Yeah. Share your screen, Nargis. Unmute your mic. Share your screen. There is a share screen option for you.
देयर इज नो ऑप्शन सर।
Yeah, I can see now. I can see now. Can you run your application? Can you open console? Scroll up. Can you show me that error? Scroll side scrolling. Scroll that. It is not able to load that default log factory. Yeah, 1 second. Copy this exception. Failed to instantiate. Copy that exception. Failed to instantiate. Copy that exception and paste in the Google. Some dependency is missing, maybe due to version. So we need to check what is the dependency that is missing.
सर दिस थिंग
Not that. Below one. Error creating bean with name, config data context refresher defined in class path resource. You need to copy the exception which you are facing. Only first line. Open that. Scroll down. See that there might be somebody also faced the same problem.
Hmm.
Which version of the Spring Boot you selected in your project? Maybe it is version problem. Can you go to your pom.xml and show me the version? Spring Boot version, parent version. Go to top. Parent version 2.3.12. That's the old version, right? Change the version to 2.7.2. Why are you using that old version?
2.7.
2.7.2. Remove that release also, just 2.7.2. Remove that 1 second. And Java version 11, Cloud Spring version 2021-03. Yeah, now update your Maven project, save this and update it. Maven update. No, it's already running. Wait. You are running the same application 2 times, right? Top one. One got stopped. Yes. Your application started. Then go to browser. Localhost colon 8761.
Eight seven six seven. No.
What port number you have given?
8761. Then next,
Go to your browser. Show me.
8761 run.
Yes. Failing. Go back to console. Show me the error. Can you stop this? Can you close it? Can you close this? Yeah. Now update. 1 second. Can you do project delete and can you try? Can you recreate the project? Delete this. Yeah. Now try this. Create a new project once again. Delete this also. Select Java 8.
नो सर, मेरे लैपटॉप में 11 है।
हाँ ठीक है चलो। Change the version, boot version above. Use the 7.2. Yeah. Next. Finish. Configure the port number. Yeah, meanwhile, anyone having question? Mahesh, Tushar,
Yes, yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
very good morning.
सर मैंने एक एप्लीकेशन स्प्रिंग बूट माइक्रोसर्विस का किया है, लेकिन मैंने खाली यूरेका सर्वर रन किया है और जो अनदर मेरे थे मतलब एडमिन सर्वर, एपीआई गेटवे एपीआई एंड वेलकम एपीआई मैंने रन भी नहीं किया, तभी भी मेरा वो एक्सेस हो रहा है सर।
समझ में नहीं आया मुझे।
ओके सर, कैन आई शेयर माय स्क्रीन?
1 second. Once she is completed, we can do.
ओके।
Yeah, hi sir.
Yeah, hello Mahesh.
Yeah, I see one one document of preparing the application. I'll share
Yep.
in chat, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah, I shared in chat, sir.
Yeah, same thing, man. So they're asking create one service registry and create one application to perform the CRUD operation, another application to access that CRUD operation. We develop ticket.
Yeah, producer and these.
But to represent this class as a Eureka server project.
Nargis, I have given in the class notes what are the properties you need to write. Port number you need to write and all. Yeah. Mahesh, tell me.
Yes, sir, this producer and consumer.
No, it is not about producer and consumer. It is about one REST API and one REST client. They're asking to develop a service registry and two REST APIs. How we developed Welcome API and Greet API. Similarly, you need to develop one car API, one car client API. In the car API, you need to perform the CRUD operations. Car client API should be able to access that REST API which you have developed.
And these services means what type of services, sir? All services.
All
Uh,
services. Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Next one, who is having question?
Yes, sir. Ganesh.
Yeah, hi Ganesh.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I'm facing problem on editing the Welcome API from the Eureka server. So should I share the
One
screen?
second, I will take it.
Okay.
So Tushar, someone who told that they want to share the screen. Who is that?
Okay, no problem, sir.
Can you share Tushar now?
No, I'm not able to share screen my share.
Once I will give permission.
Join as panelist or
Yeah, accept it.
Yeah, hi, sir. Good morning.
1 second, sir. Yeah, Tushar, you can share your screen now. Tushar, you can share your screen. Tushar, I can't hear you, man. Unmute your mic and share your screen.
sorry, sir, I'm not able to share my screen, sir. 1 second.
There is a green color button, share screen. On your Zoom control, there is a green color button, share screen.
Can you share? Can you see my screen?
No.
It's a operator. Yeah, hi, sir. Hello.
Yeah, hi Narshima.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Sir, already I implement 3 servers are running and I implemented one REST API while invoking the Eureka is accepting, it is giving the not without unknown application name. It is showing.
That means you did not configure application name in the YML file. Spring.application.name you need to configure.
Spring dot application.
I have
Yeah,
given the
I gave, yes, I gave, sir. Welcome API I gave in the application name also.
yeah, we'll see if we give correctly why it will not come.
Yes.
So, hello, Ashok sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
This is Rajesh, sir.
Hi Rajesh.
Sir, you are implementing the Fiona client in the Greet API, sir.
Right.
So, in case multiple controls, how can you, sir? How can you hit particular going to the controllers? Sir?
Which multiple controller?
For example, in welcome API, there are multiple 2 controllers. Sir. For example, you are writing one single controller only.
No. So in welcome API, if you have multiple controller also, one Fion client is sufficient for one service. In the Fion client, you can write one more method for the next method, right? Currently, in the welcome API, there is one method. For that,
Yes.
I am writing one abstract method in the Fion client interface.
Yes,
Suppose in the welcome API, there is another method which you want to access. For that, in the Fion client, you can write one more abstract method with that method URL pattern. Na? To access one service, one Fion client is sufficient. If it is a different service, then another Fion client we need to take.
But how can if you need to give the some control name, right?
No, not controller name, URL pattern of that method. In which controller you have method, that method will have an URL pattern, right?
Yes, yes.
That method URL pattern you need to give.
Sir,
In
can
same thing in the API gateway, sir.
Yes, same thing.
sir, Tushar here. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, I can see now.
Sorry, sir. Yeah.
Tell me, Tushar, what is the problem?
So problem is like that. I'm only running this Eureka server, sir.
Okay.
And other application is my stop.
Okay.
But when I run this Eureka server now, I got जो मेरा APIs है बाकी के सब कुछ रन हो रहा है ऑटोमेटिकली, वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सर क्यों? अरे सर अभी तक हो रहा था ऐसा कुछ. सी सर, वेलकम API and greet API automatically running sir.
If you are running the API gateway, it is running the remaining APIs also. Maybe they are having any dependency that you specified for them.
No sir, I'm just आपने जो बोला था वही फॉलो कर रहा हूँ मैं.
ठीक है. See, there is a link from one application to another application, then they will run like this. Now do one thing, right click on your Eureka project and close the remaining of, right click and close unrelated projects. Close unrelated projects.
Okay, can I stop this server?
Yeah, stop it now. Update your project. 1 second, update the project.
See now greet API is coming. See.
Yeah.
Both are coming right now.
Go to your IDE.
Yes.
These projects are already in the closed state. Go to your YML file. Eureka client allow redirects, register with Eureka false, fetch registry false.
I am getting one error. That's why I am writing that tools properties in a YML file.
Right. Can you go to your pom.xml? There is somewhere the link established, sir. That's why they are running.
Okay.
Show the start class.
Parent class, sorry.
Yeah. Start class. No. Start class of the Spring Boot.
Okay, sorry. This one, yes.
This is also fine. The remaining 2 projects are in the closed state, right?
Yes, all the projects.
This is something surprising. If you run one application, why the remaining 2 are coming?
I'm also surprised, sir. That's why.
Maybe any browser cache previously that you have started.
I'm clear. Okay, I'm using this also. सर ये ऊपर कैसे करने का है?
प्लस है ना एक देखना. Localhost :8761.
In here also, sir.
Welcome API. So automatically register हो जा रहा.
Yes. And second one, what is this, sir? General info. ये भी पढ़ना चाहिए तो मेरे को मतलब सीखना है हमको.
That means what is the API that you are running in the Eureka, how much memory that is providing, how many CPUs it is providing. It is basically the information that is used to create your service registry. Okay. I will check this, sir, why this automatically registering, even though we closed those projects. एक बार check करता हूँ, sir मैं.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
But still you don't have any problem to practice, right? You are able to do that.
Sorry, sir.
So there is nothing that's stopping you for practice.
No, I already do that. I will do. मैंने Google पे भी देखा सर, मुझे कुछ मिला नहीं ऐसा कुछ.
ठीक है, मैं देखता हूँ इस बार.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Ganga, can you share your screen now? Mr. Ganga, can you share your screen? Unmute your mic and share your screen. Can you speak out, Mr. Tell me what is the issue? Ganga, I can't hear your voice. Hello, sir. Unmute your mic.
Hello.
Yeah. Ganga, can you unmute your mic? Who is sharing the screen? Ganga, right? He's not responding. Next one.
Hi, sir.
Hello. Tell me, sir.
हेलो
Yeah, hello.
सर, अगेन उसमें एरर ही आ रहा है, अभी भी वो क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है.
देखता हूँ. Ganga, can you unmute your mic? I can't hear you, sir.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Actually, I downloaded that Zipkin jar file. When I
Yeah.
at that folder, I open and CMD, I'm running that. Before that, we need to install Java, right?
Yeah, in your system, Java should be there.
Yeah, Java is there, but
Java installation should be there in your system. Then only you can do that.
in that same folder, we need to place that jar file, Zipkin.
No, wherever the Zipkin is available, from there you need to open the command prompt and you need to execute that command.
Yeah, I am opening, but syntax error something is there.
Are you executing the command properly? That is, check it once.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, in my real-time project, I am using Splunk, sir. Splunk is same like Zipkin server?
Yes, sir. Splunk is the advanced version of that Zipkin. Splunk is a commercial software which is used to monitor the logs of our application.
Also, sir, I am so many things it changes done in the many microservices, but I cannot see the annotation at the rate enable discovery client.
They might be registering manually. Enable discovery client means it will search for that Eureka server which is running in the local. If the Eureka server running in the different machine, then as I mentioned that in the YML file, we will register them manually.
They are
by
using at the
URL.
rate. Yeah, sir.
Eureka client annotation they will use.
Okay, sir. And they are using at the rate schedule. What is the meaning of that?
At the rate scheduler means, so if you want to execute any particular program based on the schedule, every day at 10 o'clock, I want to run my program. That is a scheduling concept in the Spring Boot.
And sir, some of the it is using schedule event handler.
Yep.
What is the use of?
I will talk about that event handling, sir. Reactive programming kind of thing. Based on some event, they want to execute some method, event handler. So if you click some button, in general, if you click some button, then one request will go. That is event handling. Similarly, in my project, I want to execute some code based on some events which are triggered. That is event handler.
Okay, sir. And sir, minimum basic configuration is required. What configuration is required for the microservices? What is the minimum? Just not I can see the logs, I cannot see the memory management, these things related. So what is the minimum configuration?
Minimum configurations, security, actuators, okay, logging.
Okay.
Eureka, admin server. These are the basic configurations that we do.
Sir, other than Eureka, any server is, yeah,
Swagger configuration we will do.
yes, sir.
Security configurations we will do. Right? Actuators configurations we will do.
Okay, sir. Other
Logging
than, sir,
configuration we will do.
yes, sir. Other
If
than,
required,
sir,
if required, admin server.
okay, sir. Other than, sir, in this Eureka server, other servers also available in market?
There are some, currently we are using Eureka, which is given by Spring Cloud. So when you go for cloud platforms, they will provide their own service registries. Commercial service registries also available. Eureka is the free service registry given by Spring Cloud.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more doubt also. I am using just like a Zipkin jar file is there. There is a console jar file is there. So is any similar things are the difference?
No. Console is like Eureka. It is a service registry.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Hi, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I'm on this
Hello.
side.
Yep. Hello.
No. So, sir, this is regarding like course content. So, are we going to cover reactive programming as well?
Yes, sir. I will show you the example.
And sir, what about the microservices app deployment? Because on AWS cloud, because in the course content we have so many things like auto scaling is also there.
Is
AWS
today
yeah.
today is the last class?
No, sir. I'm just asking, sir.
Yeah, will be covered.
And sir, what about sir? So SBMS, we are talking about SBMS. It is complete, sir.
No, it's not complete. Still, there are some topics pending, na?
All right, sir. Because I thought it is complete, and I can still see like REST security, HTTP basic auth, JWT auth. These are all
Syllabus, Mr. Raman. Today did I inform that today is the last class for 19 SBMS?
No, sir. Sir, I thought this SBMS, this microservices, this topic is completed. So I thought this is missing.
No. Microservice mini project is completed. Still, there are some topics which are pending.
All right.
That
Okay.
we are discussing.
So are we going to have a one major project as well, sir?
No, sir.
Okay.
In this course, major project will not be covered.
All right, sir.
Yep.
Hi Ashok sir, good morning. This is Amol.
Yeah, Hamul, good morning.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yes.
My screen is visible, sir.
Yes, I can see.
So, sir, here my Eureka server.
What is the problem? Tell me first.
My problem is that, sir, here my the application name is not coming.
Unknown it is coming. What application it is?
It is Grit API.
Go to Grit API project. Go to Grit API project. Show me YML.
It's me also, sir, same.
Let me come back. Spring.application.name admin URL Eureka URL. So can you update your project Spring application name you have given? That should come. Maybe the update is missing. Stop the Grit API. Stop it.
I did this many times, sir, update thing.
Yeah. So sometimes it is not reading those YML file properly, sir, because you already configure a property there, na? So do Maven force update. Do Maven force update. If it is not able to pick up that property from the YML, then it will come as a unknown. Otherwise, it will come. Can you update your project and run it again?
Okay. I just haven't updated. Now I need to run, right?
Hmm.
There is. Right.
No, sir, it's still taking unknown.
Yes, sir. So once, I mean, I think there is no that issue with that. So actually the property name also we have configured. So once you stop the service register and try it again, it will work, sir. There is no other change, that only the place we will specify the application name here only. Spring dot application dot name as a greet API. That is fine.
Okay, sir. Actually, I have
Why
just
why there are two greet APIs? Okay, one is greet API, another one is gateway. Na? Okay, welcome API, greet API, service register. It will try, sir. Once you delete your cache and try that, stop your service register, update that project also. Because so we are not going to make any changes. The already property name you configured, you should take it from there only. There is no issue.
one more thing, sir. In my API gateway, I'm facing that issue. The local server 8080 is already in use, but I am not using that one.
Yeah, that is problem with property file is not updated. It is not able to read the property file properly. Yes, so here also same issue. Property file is not getting updated. You need to clean that projects properly and update the Maven. Then only it will consider the port number which you have given. So when you already configured port number 3333, if it is not reading your properties, your YML file properly, then it will consider default 8080, right? So you need to do Maven force update, then only it will take it from this YML.
Maven force update, clean the workspace and
yes,
clear
try that. Yes, right.
browser history, right?
Right,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you.
So build problem. When the project is not building properly, then we will get this issue. Sometimes even my project also not reading from the YML, then I use it to clean my workspace and I use it to build again. Then it will take it from the application.yml.
Okay.
If it is not taking from the application.yml, then it will take the default value. Then you will see unknown port number 8080 like that. Yeah, Ganga, what is the problem, sir? Mr. Ganga, your voice is not coming. Type in the chat box. I can't hear your voice. Babu, speak something. I can't understand if you scroll the screen. I want to hear from you. What is the issue you are facing? Type in the chat box at least. Yeah, next one, guys. Anyone else having any questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, Hazel here.
Yeah, hi, Hazel.
Yeah, so when I'm running this application, I'm getting some exception, discovery client related.
Okay.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah. Ganga, I can't see anything, man. Eureka server started, admin server failed. Admin server also running now. You can see the admin server UI also. If you speak, then only I can understand something, buddy. Yeah, Hazel, share your screen. Connected to localhost, connection refused to connect. Go to your service registry project, sir. Open your service registry. YML file. Can you do Control Shift F? Delete the properties file and update the service registry. Delete that properties. Delete that properties. Update your project. Now go to browser and access it. Can you go to browser and access the Eureka dashboard? Localhost 8761. Can you access that? Eight 761. Yep, it's working now. Hazel, unmute your mic. It is working for you, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it is working, but I see there is some exception. We need to ignore this one.
Yeah,
Discovery.
right.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Right, good. Nargis,
Yeah.
so create the project with the proper version and try that, madam. Yep. Anyone else?
Yes, sir. Ganesh here. Sir.
Hi, Ganesh. Tell me.
Actually, I'm facing problem fetching the welcome REST API. So, can you give me the screen sharing permission?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ganesh. Ganesh, unmute your mic and share it.
Yes, sir. I'm sharing. Is my screen is visible, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, let's see here. Here my this API is
No, I can see
accessible.
only your ID. Stop it and share complete screen.
Okay, okay.
Click on stop sharing and share your entire screen. When you click on share screen, there will be an option called whiteboard. Before whiteboard, the screen option will be there. You have to select it.
Okay. Yes, my whole screen is visible too now.
Now I can see. Mhm.
Yes, here on the browser, sir. Let's see. I'm I think this this welcome API is visible to you.
Yes, click on that.
Yeah. Here I'm trying to fetch. I'm unable to hit this API from like illegal state.
Yeah, the reason it is taking your system username as a domain name, Ganesh_HP.
Okay.
So that is invalid. That is invalid. Your username should not be like that. You need to change your system username. Let's try with localhost.
Yeah, from localhost it's running.
Yeah, that is the problem. So for your system, there is a name Ganesh_HP. As your system name is taking, it is taking that name. So that underscore should not be there in the URL. That is invalid domain name. So that's why it is not working for you.
Okay.
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 Right.
Yeah, I will change the system now. Thank you, sir.
Good. Next.
Hi, Ashok sir. I'm Suryakant Pandey here.
Yeah. Hi, Surya.
Yeah, Ashok sir, access token and message ID. These two things I'm seeing in my project. Okay, they are using.
Right. Access
Yes.
token and secret. Yes, sir. We will discuss about them.
Okay. Okay.
Yep. Fine.
Yeah. Okay, Ashok sir. Thank you.
Fine, guys. So, guys, so we are good with this. Can I give any task for you? Today I have not discussed anything. Can I give any task for you guys? Can I give any task?
Yes, sir.
Can you guys go through one video how to connect with multiple databases using Spring Boot? Can I share that video and code? Or you want me to discuss in the live class? It's your wish.
No, if we can get into the group, Telegram group, then it is fine. So,
okay. Guys, I want you to practice how to connect with multiple databases using Spring Boot. Okay, I will share the video and I will share the code also for that. How to connect with connecting with multiple databases. Connecting with multiple databases using Spring Boot. So currently we are connecting with a single database. We are connecting with single database. So if you want to connect with the multiple databases, then what we need to do? Okay, so that I'm going to share that video. So please try to go through that. If you are having any issue, then please let me know. Yes, so this is a GitHub repository where I have stored my code into GitHub repository Spring Boot multi-database configuration. This is the project source code, and this is the video connecting with multiple databases using Spring Boot. So today I want you to complete this task. In this guys, in this video, I used one H2 database and I used AWS Cloud RDS cloud database I have used. So if you don't have the AWS account, you can use the H2 and MySQL, two data sources. One database will be from internal memory H2. Another database you can use as a MySQL. In my scenario, I used H2 and cloud MySQL. If you don't have the cloud account, no problem. You can do that with local MySQL and H2. How to connect with two databases within one application using Spring Boot. So this is the concept. I have shared that video and I have shared the source code of the project also. So try to complete that task by today. So today I have not discussed anything in the class. It is just a screen sharing with the doubts clarification. So could you please complete this task now? Connecting with multiple databases using Spring Boot. All of you okay for this? Yeah, एक बार try करो. If you are not able to do, then again I will discuss that in the class. Okay, fine, sir. Thank you. Thank you. We'll see you in tomorrow's session. So please make sure you are complete watching that. At least watch that video so that you will have some better idea when I explain that in the class. Okay. Yeah. Fine, guys. Project code also I have given. Git repository URL also I have given for that. Thank you. We'll connect again in the tomorrow session. Bye bye.